What's up, guys? Don't skip this. If your iPhone is stuck on iPhone lock to owner or the iCloud activation lock screen, what I'm about to show you could save your device. Right now, thousands of people are dealing with this exact problem. Buying a second-hand iPhone, forgetting their Apple ID, or getting completely locked out. And most of them think there's no way out. But here's the truth. There's a way to unlock your iPhone. And in this video, I'm going to walk you through it step by step. No confusing tech stuff. No wasting time. Just a clear method you can follow yourself. But listen carefully. This is important. If you skip even one step, it might not work. That's why you need to watch this video till the end and follow everything exactly as I show you. Because if you do it right, you can remove the iCloud lock and get full access to your iPhone again. And yes, this works for many iPhone models and iOS versions. Now here's the deal. If, for some reason, this method doesn't work on your device, don't worry. Just drop a comment below with your iPhone model, your iOS version, and I'll personally help you with a solution that fits your device. So make sure you stay till the end, because the final steps are where most people mess up. And if this video helps you even a little, hit the like button, share it with someone who needs it, and subscribe so you don't miss future solutions like this. Alright, let's unlock your iPhone.